Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to give you a quick update on the NQ. Since we did have that pullback today and the fangs are looking weaker, I thought everybody might like a view of what it is that I am seeing here on my NQ futures chart. Okay, so first off, I want to go ahead and let you know we have not met target extensions from this last couple of swings, okay? So that overall swing is from the 16th of February down to that 5th of March low, right? That was such a nice big pullback. The target off of that larger one is 14,347. The target off of this swing within a swing is 14,129. Now, it is not unusual, obviously, for us to have a pullback while we are trying to meet target extensions. So that's what we're seeing right now, is that we have a pullback. I'm wanting you to know now what the zones I am seeing here on the daily, and then I'm going to let you know what I am seeing on the 120-minute chart. The first point of symmetry that I'm seeing here is 13,291. Then I've got a cluster for you that includes a two-step pattern of that high to this low to this more recent high. Okay, so I really do like this cluster better than just the one point of symmetry. The one point of symmetry is tradable on its own. We could bounce from there and just keep on going up to these target extensions. But I do love a two-step pattern inside of this cluster. So that's 13,110 to 96. Then I have another cluster for you just underneath that, 12,912 to 47. So you can use any of these setup zones and still use some of these overall targets if you would like. Now, what I'm seeing here on the 120-minute chart is even more clusters. The one we're on top of right now is 13,250 to 83. And that includes that two-step pattern that I was just talking about. Then we've got 13,171 to 80, and then 13,043 to 135, and so forth, so on the way down there. We just need to watch for triggers, and you need to watch for us to go through lower time frame resistance first before you start getting too bullish. Why? Because we have crossed to the downside on the 120-minute chart here, y'all. So let's see what's going on the daily. We've crossed to the downside with the 5 and the 13 on the daily also. We did that last week. Okay, so we are the 5 and the 13 are on a sell. We are below the 50. The only moving average on the daily that is on your side is the pink 200. So you need to be a very cautious bull at this point, please. We have setups on both sides of the market. If you are in our room, you will see resistance tomorrow morning. I haven't quite set it up for you yet. If you are not in our room, I would encourage you to please come get in our room so that you can see this live information every day, all day long. All right, everybody, I hope you have an awesome evening, and I will talk to all of you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me